Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is 3 babies were mixed up in a hospital after a consideration of the data below. Which of the following represents the correct baby and parent combinations? And here is the variants to choose from. Let's consider the first variant. Can, for example, parents of the first group be parents of the baby whose genotype AB? Here we see that both parents belong to the blood group A. And because blood group A can be made by two genotypes, which is A, and AO, there is no way that the child would get allele B from any of the parents. They just don't have such allele, so we even don't have to check the other combinations. We can cross out this variant. Now let's check variant B, parents of the group 1 and child of the group 1. Again, parents who belong to the blood group A don't have B allele, so they cannot get a child of the blood group B. So we can also cross out this variant. And now let's check variant C, parents who are going to be belong to the blood group 1 or blood group A, both parents. Can they have a child who belongs to the blood group 2 or blood group O? Yes, take a look. For example, if one parent would be genotype AO and another parent also would be genotype AO, both of them can contribute to the child O allele, and the child can be of the blood group O. So now let's check second variant. Is it possible for a couple 2 to have a child 3? Of course, we even don't need any diagrams here. One parent can contribute A allele and another parent can contribute B allele. So they may have a child who is belong to the blood group AB. Now let's check 3-1. So is it possible for parents who belong to the blood group B and O to have a child who is going to be blood group B? Of course, yes, because this parent can contribute B allele and this parent can contribute O allele, so genotype of the child can be BO, and this is blood group B. So all three combinations are possible. And this is going to be our answer, but let's check the rest too. For example, 1, 2, and we have this combination here. Yes, parents who belong to the blood group A may have a child who belongs to the blood group O. And 2, 1, can two parents who belong to the blood group A and B have a child who is blood group B? Yes, this parent can contribute B allele, and this parent who can be genotype AO and would be blood group A also can contribute O allele, and this child would be BO genotype and would belong to the blood group B. And 3, 3, could this couple who belong to the blood group B and O have a child who is going to be a B blood group? No, because this parent has two O alleles and this parent can have B and O allele, so they can have children who belong to the blood group B and O, but no AB, because they don't have A allele. So we can cross variant D, and let's check the last variant, which is going to be E, 1, 3. So first couple and child number 3. No, they cannot have, because none of them has B allele. So they cannot have a child who is blood group AB. And as you see, the only correct answer is going to be answer C. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.